I, Dr. ARUN BHATIA, Faculty of MBA Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today, I am going to deliver a lecture on CSR. I hope you all understand what is CSR. The full form of CSR is Corporate Social Responsibilities, which means what are the things that the corporate industry is doing socially and how they are responsible towards the better upliftment of the society in large. It is about how companies manage the business processes to produce an overall positive impact on the society. The internal employees and the external world, how these needs are being catered to by the organizations on the whole. That means, are they really keeping their employees well satisfied? Are the employees working with the organization? And are the products or the services which are being offered by the organization, are they really meeting the demands of the market? Our customers are happy purchasing your products and services. The CSR is a very broader term, and it encompasses everything that makes it run in the industry. It is the commitment of businesses to contribute to sustainable economic development, working with employees, their families, the local communities and society at large, to improve their quality of life in ways that can be good for both the businesses and the national or international development. Now, there are certain organizations in the market who are catering to the needs of the families of the employees. They have opened up schools for and providing free education to the children of the employees. They have the houses built for the employees, where the employees of the organization can without moving outside the boundaries of the organization, can live within the organization boundaries of the organization, so that they are able to give more time towards the production cycle of the organization. It aims to ensure that companies conduct their businesses in a way that is ethical. This means taking into account of their social, economic and environmental impact and consideration of human rights. That means human rights, what I mean to say is that every employee working in the organization, he is treated at par. There is no bias or discrimination against men and women working in the organization. The products which are being produced, the services which are being offered are ethical in nature. So I hope you understand the topic of CSR. Thank you very much.